Bro, I'm not about to jack that, bro. No way. It's like, I don't know, bro, because like, LeBron can't really shoot like that. There's no way you're about to tell me that LeBron, in the original cast from 03-04 isn't nicer than Kobe. I haven't even seen LeBron do nothing but dunk. All he do is, that's all he do. He do the same thing every time, bro. There's no way he's better than him, bro. You're wilding out, son. What? Bro. Call Darian, bro. Go call Darian, bro. Call him. Son, I got you right now, bro. I'm gonna call him right now, bro. I can't ask you anyway, bro. You suck at ball and you still wearing that old ass LeBron jersey, bro. Yeah. Why is Darnell here trying to tell me that LeBron isn't better than Kobe? That's exactly what I'm talking about, son. He's wild. He's trying to say, no. No, I don't want to hear none of that. Just come right now. I bet. You gonna see right now. Yo, what's good, bro? Yo, there he is right there, bro. Y'all talking basketball? Bro, can you tell this idiot, bro, that LeBron is not better than Kobe, bro? Can you tell this idiot LeBron is better than Kobe? Like, how stupid are you? Is better than Kobe? Nah, bro. All the way around? Nah, bro, I got you. LeBron is better than Kobe, bro. Are you stupid? All right, bro. That's exactly what I'm talking about, son. Man, he sucks, nigga. Fuck out of here, bro. He not guarding him, son. Y'all heard that? Nah, I thought I heard a cough or something. Yeah, I thought somebody. It's whatever, bro. But look, that's what I'm trying to say, is, bro. Like, the way LeBron was playing, he Are you good, bro? Your throat itchy? I keep hearing. You good? You know what I'm saying? I swear I keep hearing like, you know, cough noises like. You know, we don't play that coughing shit around here. I'm good. You got the cough, bro? That's a cough. We said, bro, I swear. Yo, I promise you, bro, if you about to cough, bro. Yo, I don't play that coughing shit, bro. Son, nah, it's over for that. Nah, I'm sorry, bro. It's cooked for you. Yo, no, please. It's not a call. I don't got the motor. I don't got. Dang, guys, I can't believe I really did it. Just got myself a new mansion. Whoa. Yo, who are you? Who am I? I'm Backpack Tay. Oh. And you're watching Backpack Tay.